Hi, to check serial number of your Garmin Vivoactive 5, as a first step, you can just take a look at its back part. Here, you need to find this number on the back, which contains numbers and letters, and this is basically the serial number. So usually serial numbers are indicated by the letters S and, but in this case, we see only numbers and letters, so don't get confused. And additionally, we can press this down button to go in the settings. Here we need to find System tab, and after that we need to go in the About Watch, and here we can check this unique unit ID as well. So each of the Garmin watch has this unique unit ID, which is nearly the same as serial number. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.